Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a clothing website without Shopify. In fact, I'll be showing you two platforms that you can use to create a clothing website for completely free. The first platform that I would recommend that you give a try is Printify. Printify is one of the best print-on-demand platforms around. All you'll need to do is create an outstanding design. Once you have created your design, you can choose the clothing that you would like to add it on, and they have a vast catalog that you can choose from. So first you are going to go onto printify.com, then you are going to tap on start for free, and you can sign up using your email address. Once you are signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option, and right where you see Lion Club on my screen, you're going to tap right there, and you're going to tap on add a new store. After you have done that, you're going to select Printify pop-up, and this basically means that Printify will host your store for you. So it is completely free, and you're going to add in your store name. So let's say, for example, I just want to call this test store 123. After you have done that, let me drag this in real quick. Then from here you can select your country. So I'm going to select my country right here. After selecting your country, you're going to tap on next. On the next page, you'll be able to choose the theme, and I'm going to select this theme. Then you're going to tap on launch pop-up store. After you have done that, you're going to tap on add products, and you're going to select browse products. From here, you can select the clothing that you would like to add your product on. If you don't see the particular clothing, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on catalog, and you can see a vast majority of options that you can select from. So you can select any one of these options. Let's say, for example, I would like to add my design on this t-shirt. After selecting the t-shirt, depending on where your target market is located, you can select any one of these options. And you also have express delivery, meaning it will be delivered quicker, and you also have the best seller right here. So you can pay attention to those, so you can select whichever one that best suits your desired need. After you have selected one, you're going to tap on start designing in the bottom right hand corner. If you don't have a design as yet, what I would recommend you do is go onto canva.com. This is a platform that you can use for completely free. So you're going to sign up on Canva. Then you will simply tap on the search bar, and from here you can type in t-shirt logo for example's sake. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page, and from here you can see numerous templates that you can quickly select and edit. Let's say, for example, I would like to use this template. All I would need to do is select the template, then tap on customize this template. After you have done that, I would recommend that you make changes to the template. So for example, you can change the text and add a different text. Once you have made changes, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on download, then tap on download once more. Once it has been downloaded, you're going to go back into Printify. And from here, you're going to tap on upload in the top left hand corner. Then select my design, and you're going to select your design that you have created. So let me do that real quick. Then you're going to tap on open. Once the design has been added, as you can see right here, you're going to tap on save product in the bottom right hand corner. After you have selected save product, you can select the mockup that you would like to use. So let's say I would like to use this mockup image. Then you can scroll down. You could edit the product title and the product description. You can also choose to add a size table if you want. Then you're going to tap on publish in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on publish, you can see that it is being published to our store. Once it has been added to your store, you can tap on the three dots right here, and you can tap on see in store, and you can see how our store looks right here. And if we were to tap on the store name in the top left hand corner, you can see our link right here, which you can share on social media so that persons will be able to complete a purchase and you can start making money. Also, you can go over to the left hand menu option and tap on store settings. By tapping on store settings, if in the future you like to change your store name, you can do that. You can also add a logo if you want by tapping on logo image. If you would like to add social media links, you can tap on add link and you can add social media links right there. If you would like to further customize your store, you can tap on customize and you can change the theme. You can also tap on payouts and you can set up the different payment methods that you would like to use. Once you're finished, you can continue making money and uploading different designs, and that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful with Printify. If you would like to use Fourthwall, let's check that out. So you would go onto fourthwall.com, then you're going to tap on start now. And as you can see, it is also free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. With Fourthwall, you can either choose to sign up with your Google account, YouTube account, or Twitch. I already have an account, so I'm just going to quickly log in. Once on Fourthwall, the concept is basically the same as Printify. You would go over to the left hand menu option, tap on products, then select create new product, and you're going to tap on design something new. After you have done that, you can see numerous items that you can select from to add your design. Or you could tap on all products from the top navigation bar. Let's say we would like to add our design on this t-shirt. You would select the design or the t-shirt, then tap on design now. After you have done that, you're going to be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you will now be able to add your design. You can tap on add image in the top left hand corner, and we're going to select our image that we have created. So let's say, for example, this image right here, and we're going to tap on open. After you have done that, it will automatically be added, as you can see right there. And you can choose whether you'd like to add it to the back or to the side or inside label. Then you'll tap on next. After you have tapped on next, you will be redirected to a new page. You can see right there that it is uploading our image. Once our image is uploaded, as you can see right there, you can tap here and you can add in your product name. You can add in a description, and you can also set the price that you would like to sell it for. And you can see the profit that you will be making based on the price that you have chosen. After doing that, you're going to tap on publish now. Once you have selected publish now, from here you can see how your product looks, and this is your store right here. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button